Hi guys, you're watching the Horror Family channel on YouTube and I am Red Rum Queen. And today I'm going to go ahead and do another unboxing video. It is the Halloween season, so there's a lot of goodies online that you can get to get your home all decorated for the Halloween season or year-round in our case. So we did move into a new home and I wanted to get some new items to make our home spooky. Or more horror-oriented, Halloween-oriented. Currently we are in my room, our room, and this is going to go with a vintage Halloween theme. As you can see already in the background, we already have some vintage Halloween items that I actually got. Some of these items at Michael's, some of these items in Joann's, some of these items in Target, and some of these items at Halloween Horror Nights last year. So anyways, so I'm going to do an unboxing. If you checked out our last video, we did an unboxing of Spirits Halloween Store 2020. So please go ahead and check out that video and see if you like any of our goodies. And then you can go ahead and buy some of those goodies. And don't forget there are coupons now for Spirits Halloween. So anyways, the next unboxing is going to be two different stores that we bought things to get our home more spooky. And I don't know if these stores are only online or they actually have a physical store somewhere else, but I know they do not have them in Florida as far as I know, but I actually haven't done research on that, so I do apologize, but you can go ahead and do research on that if they do. But these things were purchased online. We're going to be showcasing two different vendors, and I'm going to go ahead, and this is one of the items we purchased. And then we got this gigantic box, which you can see here. It's pretty big, so I'm not going to go ahead and lift that because there's a lot of stuff in there. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and unbox those, and so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and grab this remote right here and go ahead and get these all opened up for you to show you what's inside, and hope you like it. Hi guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and unboxed the things. The first items are from Society6. I don't know if you've ever been there, but it's full of different artists who make artwork, and they put it on pillows, they put it on mouse pads, they put it on prints, and they put it on comforters. So this is the first item. It's a comforter. You can't really tell what's in there by looking at it in the bag, and there isn't any pictures to display what's in there, but I will go ahead and stop this video again and set everything up and then show you what it looks like. But opening the package, this comforter is green, as you can see. And it's white on the other side. It's a soft material to the touch, and it is cushions with cotton, like a stuffed animal. I'm sure it's cotton. I mean, I didn't read the actual materials it's made out of, but it is a nice green, and it's very, very soft, and I'm really excited to put it on our bed. This is actually, if you are familiar with the buckets from McDonald's from the 80s, where they had a witch, a ghost, and a pumpkin. So I saw this on Society6 and it reminded me of my childhood, so I went ahead and I got the witch McDonald's bucket comforter that we're going to go ahead and put on our bed. So I'm super excited about that, and again I will go ahead and show you once it's on the bed so you can see the full thing, but it is very soft. It's very cushy. It seems cool too. It doesn't seem like it would be overly hot, especially if you live in Florida or any other place like California or any place that's hot. This seems like a nice breathable type material. So yeah, so that's the comforter we got. Again, it's from Society6. And then we also got, this is not so much of a horror movie, but I do love this character, and she is the theme of our living room, which I'll show you once it's all put together. But if you are familiar with our lovely Catwoman, so this is Catwoman. the Michelle Pfeiffer version, as you can see. And I absolutely love this pillow. And again, it's going to be going into our living room, which is Catwoman themed. There is some horror themes in there too, and some other things, kind of women empowering type characters that we're doing for our living room. So again, this is Catwoman from Batman Returns. Absolutely love her. I do have some other things I purchased for my love for Catwoman that I got from Vixen. They're actually clothes, and like I said, our living room is themed to Catwoman elements in there, and we did order one more thing for our love for Batman Returns. Well, my love for Batman Returns, probably not the rest of the household. But anyways, so this is my Catwoman pillow, again from Society6. The next item is more horror, and this is from Retro Go-Go. I don't know if you've ever been to Retro Go-Go, but they have a lot of, they are very infamous for their large masks that they sell. And this is the flyer that came with the masks and the packaging, and it has some of their items that they sell. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you their flyer, and you can go ahead and visit them online and get all your little masks. As you can see, these are the oversized masks that I'm going to be showing you. They even have the Monsters oversized masks, and they even have back to the 80s feel of our Monster cereals masks too. So I'm sure we're going to see those Monster cereals soon at our grocery stores. But here you go. This is the flyer it came with. It also came with a coupon and a little more of their advertisements that they have. So you can go see and go ahead and go to Retro Go-Go and get yourself some cool stuff. They do have shirts, masks for the whole quarantine thing, but I didn't really want to go ahead and get more masks. I had a few already, but I did want to get the oversized masks, not the coronavirus masks. So this is our first ghoul, the Monster of Frankenstein. Isn't he gorgeous? Look at him. And he glows in the dark. There's a little sticker there if you can see it. But he is lovely, and he's going to be going in our room for the whole retro Halloween year-round feel. And I absolutely love him. He's so cute, and I can't wait to hang him up. Then we couldn't get a man without his beautiful bride. This is the Bride of Frankenstein. I really like the red hair one because it also reminds me of one of my favorite films, Rocky Horror Picture Show, with Magenta towards the end of the movie, where she has her hair all up just like Bride of Frankenstein, and it's red. So I wanted to get this one, and I think it would look nice contrast to the room, which is blue. We didn't repaint this room because there's a lot of other rooms that need more work, and this color is livable and we like it, so we're good with that. So this is the lovely Bride of Frankenstein mask. She doesn't glow in the dark, it doesn't seem, but we absolutely love her, and she's gonna go with her lovely monster, Frankenstein's monster, Bride of Frankenstein. Then we also got a little friend of ours, the devil himself. Yes, we got the devil mask as well. He is red. I believe this one was limited edition. And he also kind of, if you ever seen Scream Queens, this is kind of a Scream Queen feel too, as well as the retro masks feel. And he is absolutely gorgeous as well. They package them really nicely. None of them are damaged. None of the boxes are damaged. So I was very happy with the packaging. And then we got one more here for this room, and then the other one is for the living room. So here is our other guy. He is a cat, a very Halloweenish cat, as you can see. He's super cool. You can see that he has glitter in his mouth. And this is Pumpkin Puss, he's called. And he is absolutely gorgeous. These are the side of the boxes. They're really nice. So definitely want to keep these boxes because they're very nice boxes. And it makes it lots of fun. So that's our, what was his name again? Pumpkin Puss. So that was Pumpkin Puss. The devil is actually named Hot Stuffed Devil. The bride is the Bride of Frankenstein, but they have her named as Dead Bride. Oh, died. Well, died bride. Died bride. And then we have Cranky Frankie. So Cranky Frankie, Died Bride, Hot Stuffed Devil, which also has glitter. Let me show you that. He has glitter on his collar. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of in the box there. But again, we're going to go ahead and show you those once they're up. And Pumpkin Puss. So those are our masks that are going to be going in this room here. And then there is one more. Let me go ahead and get him for you. He is all the way at the bottom. And he might be a hard one to get. Hold on. Because he is at the bottom. Let me see if I can grab him. And I'm having issues here. Oh, God. He is really stuck in there. Alright, so my other guy is stuck in there. So I'm going to go ahead and try to lift up this box and show you him. Ooh, let's go. And here is my other guy. And he is from Mars Attacks. And he also glows in the dark. Isn't he great? He's going to go on our living room. And if you're familiar with the movie Mars Attacks, it's a great film as well. And Tim Burton did it. And we are big fans of Tim Burton. So I'm sure you can clearly see that. So anyways, these are our items. Again, the Catwoman and the mask for Mars Attacks is going to go in our living room. And these other masks, Classic Monsters Cat and Devil, are going to go in our room along with the McDonald's Happy Meals Bucket Comforter. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. But again, I will be back to show you everything hung up, put up, and all that good stuff. Alright? Okay, so see you soon. Bye. So here are the masks all set up. We do have one more mask to set up, which is the Mars Attacks. That's going in the living room. But we need special screws to get that one on. So we're going to have to hold off the video and then get those screws, put them up, and then finish off the video. But here is the devil mask. He's very, very awesome. And here is that glitter I was talking about in the previous portion of the video. And here he is. Very, very cool. This is a hard plastic material. And then there's a cardboard backing to him that's stapled on there. So I definitely wouldn't put these where there's any kind of moisture or water. So definitely something for inside where it's dry. So I'm going to go and stop this video and go over to the other part of the room instead of panning over because there's a little bit of a mess over there. So hold off and we'll be back. So here we are to the other side of the room, and here is the Monster of Frankenstein and the Bride of Frankenstein. They are really awesome, and I love how they make this room now pop instead of being dull and boring like it was. This part of the room was always lovely, but the rest needed some work. So here they are, and they are beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and get a little closer to them. And here he is. He does glow in the dark. So I'm really excited to see that when we check them out later tonight. And then I'm going to go ahead and walk over to get closer to the bride. And so you can see her too. And here she is. I love the colors on her. It's a very, very fun and exciting. And then I'm going to go ahead and pan over to the cat. And you can see he has tons of glitter. And he has the Halloween colors and feels very retro and fun. So I'm really, really happy with these masks. They, like I said, are hard plastic. And they have a cardboard backing. So I definitely wouldn't put these anywhere where there's moisture. So keep them dry. And I'm going to go ahead and right there is our anxiety ostrich. And his name is Hopper, for Hopper from Stranger Things. And then I'm going to go ahead and pan over to the comforter of the 1980s McDonald's Halloween buckets for your Happy Meals. So if you were born in the 80s or you lived in the 80s, then this is a very nostalgic piece. So anyways, I will be back to show you the Mars Attacks Martian mask. So for now, this is it, and we'll be back. So here's the final mask that we're going to be hanging up in the living room. I wanted to go ahead and show you the backing I was talking about, being cardboard. I'll turn it around. And here you go. Here's the cardboard backing for the mask. And where you would hang it up from. So I just wanted to kind of show you so you know why I suggested not to put it where it's wet or outside or where there's moisture. So I'm going to go ahead and hang this guy up. So here is the final mask hung up in our living room. And we're going to show you the rest of the living room once it's done. So remember, the family that scares together stays together.